Assalamu alaikum friends, it's Amira here and we're continuing our culinary tour with the Lotto Kitchen show. I love those moments when Fed decided what we have for breakfast. Who wants where this bowl will take us? Let's know, get luck waiting and find out today's winner. Oh, England, the land of 4 kings and, of course, the fairest breakfast in the world. So today we're going to make the famous English breakfast. It's be real royal fest in your kitchen. We need juicy beef sausage, fresh egg, again a classic baked beans, mushrooms, tomatoes, and a couple of slices of bread for perfect toast. Just pure flavor and maximum protein. The main secret of an English breakfast is that everything is cooking almost simultaneously. Start with the sausage and let them brown. Next to them, add the bottom mushrooms and cherry tomatoes. We don't just fry them, we let them caramelize to bring out the maximum flavor. Beans are the heart of breakfast. We warm them over low heat so the sauce becomes thick and creamy. This is the element that will bring all the components on the plate together. Now the fried egg. The yolk should remain runny like gold so you can dip the crispy toast into it. Toast the bread until it's crisp and golden. That's the sound of the perfect morning. Plating is an art. An English breakfast does not tolerate choice. Every ingredient has its place. Sausage, mushrooms, bright green beans, vegetables, and of course the green of the table, the fried egg. Look how aesthetically pleasant it looks, and most importantly, how much energy that is here. This is incredible, hearty, juicy, and very English. The lottery machine made an excellent choice today. Well friends, my video has come to an end. I hope this breakfast impressed you to do great things. Be sure to follow my OnlyFans page so you don't miss our new interesting vlog. Bye for now!